Okay, for the following orbitals, state the values for N, L, M sub L, which apply, and draw a sketch showing the shape and orientation of the orbitals. All right, so I'm a terrible artist, but I'll do my best here. Before I get started, what I want to do is, because we know N, L, M sub L, so I'm just going to write down here a little thing for myself so that I know that the what the orbital is. Orbital. There's not an I there, but that's all right. So when L is equal to 0, this is an S orbital. 1 is a P orbital. 2 is a D orbital. 3 is an F orbital, right? Those are the only ones we really need to know. In fact, all we really need to know is S and P in this particular case. So we have N, we want to know what N is, L, and M sub L, right? We've been given the orbital designation. So we know that N is equal to 3, and S means that L is equal to 0. So if L is equal to 0, then M sub L has no choice but to be 0 only. That's the only choice it can be. Okay. Let's look at this one here. Here we have N equals 4. L, since this is a P orbital, then L must be equal to 1. And M sub L, and this might be a little tricky for you at first, this says PZ. So we're being specific here. We're not saying just a P orbital in general. We're specified that this is a PZ orbital. And so M sub L can be either a -1, a 0, or a 1. But it can't be all three of these, obviously, because we're only talking about one particular orbital. So it's one of those three. Now, we have to draw a picture of these, right? Does it say M sub S? No, it doesn't. So let's draw a picture of this. So for the 3s orbital, we can, this is our z-axis, okay? An x-axis and a y-axis. So we will draw our s orbital like this. And like that's a terrible drawing, but there you go. There's my s orbital. Not real great, but it'll do in a pinch. So for a 4pz orbital, we're going to draw our z-axis, our x-axis, our y-axis. All right, so for the p orbitals, they are barbell shaped, right? And this particular one, since it's pz, is going to be oriented on the z-axis. Okay, and let's just color one of them to say that they're different phases. There you go.